morning, guys, from Ongata Rongai. Good morning, good morning. No more downtown Nairobi. Let's go to Uptown. Let's go, guys. I know my car is very dirty. I'll have to take it tomorrow for a wash. Today's on a weekend. I know that we are going to enjoy, and it's December officially. Yeah. So it's officially December 2023, guys. The festive mood is here. But I'm working, man. Gotta hustle. Hustle, man. Let's go get it. Woo! Previously, I was going straight on this roundabout, but now I'm going to take a left turn into Uptown. Left turn to Uptown, Nairobi. Thank God for new horizons. Let's go, guys. This is how Nairobi looks like from Langata. This is Kibera. So guys, this is going to be my new route for a while. Let's go. Ooh, there's a Subaru behind me. These Subaru guys are crazy, bruh. Crazy. Dang, my ass. So one of the major differences between downtown Nairobi and uptown Nairobi is the traffic here is a little bit more organized, a little bit. And that is because people follow traffic laws here. But in downtown, yeah, everyone is like trying to break them. The goal is to break the law. But up here, follow the law. And the traffic moves faster. And you get to where you're going faster. And it's safer. So it's 7:24. Hopefully by 8, I'll be at work. So the real estate here is more expensive. The rents are higher. And the quality of life is better. More amenities, more everything. So let's say the best of Kenya right here. Let's go. Yeah, if the light is red, you have to stop. Turn green. Let's go. I'm just enjoying the drive. So enjoyable. I think Nairobi already looks better and cooler and awesome from this side. Yeah, I had to say that. Sorry, guys. 7:40 and I'm already here. So I just need to take this bag and go get some work done, guys. I'll see you in the evening. Whoa, guys, what a beautiful, beautiful day. What a beautiful first day for work. Now it's time to start the weekend, guys. Let's go have fun. Let's go enjoy the weekend. Currently 5:23. Time to go home. Guys, time to go home and enjoy the weekend. Yeah, Nairobi traffic is everywhere. It's also in Uptown. But at least yeah, no one is overlapping. People are just chilled. Oh dang, this is my new favorite building. You can see we have brand new cars over there. These are all brand new cars being sold. Thank God. Thank you. Oh man. Life is good. Life is good. What the fuck is this guy doing, man? What? It's beautiful. This is bad. Bad. What is this guy doing? Oh no. Karen for you guys. That's Karen. Beautiful Karen. I said one day I'm going to live here. What's wrong with this guy? Something is not right with the car in front. One day, one day. Oh my God. What happened to that bus? Oh my God. Guys, look at this one. Whoa. How was he going? I'm trying to hold the camera so that I can show you guys. He stalled on the road. Okay, guys. I think I will have to end the vlog here. Happy. Okay, not happy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let me be the first to do it. See you in the next vlog, guys. See you in the next vlog.